Previously on ITSVONTE'S World.
They cut the muffler off. It was like a resonator on there too. They cut that off.
Hey, I ain't worried about a goddamn thing.
No.
Hey, I ain't worried about a goddamn thing.
Nope.
I ain't worried about a goddamn thing. Sending prayers up, blessings fall like the rain. Hey, don't have a single fucking worry in the world.
No.
I just send the prayers up, then I watch the shit unfurl.
They do.
Hey.
What up? We in Vonte's World.
Monte's World.
Vonte's World. We're just living in it.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn.
Man, it's a sad day. You know what I'm saying? The Camaro's getting towed away. It's getting taken away. You know what I'm saying? Taking this motherfucker. The thumbnail. But yeah, man, this motherfucker fucked up. I don't know what the fuck going on with it. This bitch just died on me. If y'all remember in the last video, I had took it to the shop. They were supposed to diagnose it and see what was going on with it. They told me they couldn't figure it out, so they told me to take it to another shop that they work with. And on my way taking it to the other shop, this motherfucker just completely died on me. It just motherfucking started leaking some shit, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? It started leaking some shit. Started smoking like a motherfucker, and then that bitch just died and it wouldn't turn back on. So you know what I'm saying, that's what it is. You know what I'm saying, they kind of they did what they did what they did. You know what I'm saying, they kind of scammed me. You know, it is what it is. I don't give a fuck. It ain't nothing to a bus. Am I mad about it? Like, yeah, because these niggas really did just scam me, but it ain't shit to a boss, bro. I still got the motherfucking Z28 Camaro. We gonna get all this shit fixed. You know what I'm saying, we gonna get all this shit fixed. And this bitch gonna be better than ever, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes in life you get fucked over, you know, especially when you a good person. So it ain't nothing I ain't used to, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna keep going with this shit. We gonna motherfucking elevate. This shit don't stop. This shit don't stop the grind. This shit even make it even better. Shit, there's more content to make for y'all, so y'all can see this motherfucking process that I'm going through. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know what's going on with it though. Shit is crazy. So we about to get this boy towed up, you know what I'm saying? About to get it towed away. Sad day, you know what I'm saying? The Camaro only had this bitch for 2 weeks and this bitch dead already. It's crazy. I'd really be sick if this was my only car. I'd be sick as hell if this was my only car. But shit, I don't even know what to say at this point. What'd you say? Neutral? Alright. I don't even, let me see if I can even put it in neutral. Shit. This motherfucker ain't doing nothing. Let's see. It's in neutral. Alright. You need me to stay in it or? You need me to stay in it while you pull it up or?
No, make sure you do it. Do the automatic lock. My man.
Yeah. Gotta make sure. Shit, man, this shit is sad, but I don't care. I'm still smiling, nigga. Look at this shit. Motherfucking getting towed away. All this goddamn money I spent on this car. All this goddamn money I spent on this bitch and had it for 2 weeks. And this bitch dead. Now I gotta spend even more money on it. Shit crazy, man. This real life shit, though. Y'all see what's going on, bro. This is real life shit. Ain't shit I can do about it, but just pay the money and get it fixed again. Shit. Ain't shit else I can do. What else could I do? Ain't nothing else I can do. I gotta pay the money. I gotta pay the money to get it towed right now. You know what I'm saying? And then I gotta pay for it to get towed to the shop on Monday. And then I gotta pay to get it fixed, which probably gonna be like upwards of like 4 to 5 grand. You know what I'm saying? So that's just what it is right now, man. You know, we getting taken away. Sad day, man. The Camaro is dead. Look at all this shit. Yeah. Man, she's so sexy on that bitch too. Damn, look at the black mamba. Sexy as hell, but dead in the bitch. She's crazy. Might be the thumbnail right there.
What happened to it?
I have no clue.
Just shut off when it
Yeah,
started?
it started leaking some shit, and then it started smoking, and it just died.
Antifreeze?
I'm guessing, I don't know. But I checked the coolant, it was still cooling in there, so I don't know what's going on.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Alright, man, I'm gonna come back to y'all in a minute, man. Alright, y'all, so, you know what I'm saying, finally figured out what was going on with the Camaro, and it turns out it's the head gasket. So, you know what I'm saying, got Uncle over here right now, you know what I'm saying, extra top expert mechanic over here. And we're gonna get it together. I'll just kind of give y'all like a synopsis of what we doing over here. Just took the started to take the cover off. We took the battery out. About to get the radiator out, and then I'm pulling the alternator off right now, so we can get to the head gaskets and all that shit. But yeah, man, this is what's going on with the Camaro. We about to bring this bitch back to life. You know what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned into the video. Hit the like button, man. I'm gonna bring the camera back out when we make some more progress with this shit.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.
Dread shaking, hoes dancing, music playing. Lil' mama popping on me like she tryna have my baby. Ooh, I don't think you ready, girl. This liquor hit me heavy. We'll be fucking on this floor. We all drunk, they probably let it. These niggas looking at me funny. Ayo, who that nigga be? Oh, is that your main bitch? When she coming home with me? Catch me rolling with the team. Off the crust, I'm off the beam. When my niggas link up, we guaranteed to cause a scene. Niggas looking at me funny. Ayo, who that nigga be? Oh, is that your main bitch? Oh, that's your girl. Oh shit, that's your girl. What?